Today I'm gonna show you how to quickly change a brake light bulb on a Nissan Pathfinder. It's pretty simple. You got two 10mm bolts. You can get a little screwdriver, just work them out. Once you back them out, everything else is pretty easy from here on out. You're just gonna see me work the screws out. Tail light pops right out. You're gonna turn that gray circle piece, and the bulb is gonna come right out. You twist the bulb, boom, slides right out. Everything else from here is reversed. So you're gonna put the bulb back in, turn it, and put everything back together. So I ran to AutoZone real quick to pick up the bulb for the customer. Got you two bulbs. Only be using one. Just the brake light went on the right side. So like I said, get it, turn it in, boom, got light. Yeah, so like I said, everything else from here is self-explanatory. You pop it back in, it mounts on the side. Get the two screws in, tie your nose up, and from there you're good to go. You ready? Got your brake light back? Yeah, so